Hello everyone. Today we are going to make something really cool, a Scratch translator. You can click buttons to choose a language, type something in, and the Scratch card will translate it.
Hello. Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
Let's jump in. Open Scratch and start a new project. Now, upload or create 4 button sprites. Let's name them. English, French, Spanish, Chinese, Now, let's make a variable. Go to the variables category and click Make a Variable. Name it Language. This variable will keep track of which language the user selects. Time to add code to each button. Go to the Code tab of each button and use the script. When this sprite clicked Set Language to and add the same for other buttons also. So when you click on each button, the variable will set in this box. Now go to the Scratch cat sprite. We'll make the cat ask for input and translate based on the selected language. Start with the green flag. First, go to the yellow events category on the left. Drag the block when green flag clicked. Now go to the blue sensing category and find the block. Ask, what's your name? And wait. Drag it under the when green flag clicked block and change the texts to ask, what do you want to translate? And wait. This will show a text box where we can type what we want to translate. Use if statements to check language. Next, go to the orange control section and drag an if-then block. We'll need 4 of these blocks, 1 for each language. Place them one below the other. Now, go to the green operator section. Drag the equals block. Go back to the orange variable section and drag the language variable into the first slot of the equals block. Type the name of the language in the second slot, like this. So if you click on the button sprite, the language will set here, and this if-then condition is going to detect the language change. Now, here's the fun part. If you've enabled the Translate extension, found by clicking the blue extensions button in the bottom left corner and choosing Translate, go to the new Translate category. Translate a answer to. Now go to the purple look section and grab this block. Say hello for 2 seconds. Replace the text hello with the translate block. Say translate. For 2 seconds. Put this inside the first if then block. Repeat steps for these 3 other languages using new if-then blocks. Translate answer to Spanish. English, translate M to English. Each one should have its own condition. Now it's going to show the translated text on the screen. Go and add text to speech extension also and do the same here. So Scratchcard will also speak the translated text. So speak hello code here and add translate answer to the language here. And do the same code for all languages. Great. Let's test this out.
Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
Click the green flag, then click a button to choose your language, and finally type your message.
Hello.
The cat will speak it in the language you picked. Perfect. You have built your own Scratch translator like Google Translator.
Hello. Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
Soy un gato rasca. 你好，你在干什么？
Thanks for coding with me today. Happy scratching and see you next time.